Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to create meeting agendas in Notion in 2025 so your team meetings stay organized, focused, and productive. The easiest way is to start with a meeting agenda is a template from Notion Gallery or Community. Most come with a section for meeting dates, attendance, discussion points, and decisions. And action items duplicate into your own space and make it your own. Next, add recurring agenda item like project updates, blockers, or team wins. You can also create dynamic fields for each attendance, add their talking points before the meeting so everyone comes prepared. During the meeting, update the agenda in real time, take the notes directly under each topic, assign tasks, and tag team members for follow-ups. With Notion database setup, those action items can automatically connect to your task board so they don't get lost. Finally, store all past agenda in one database. That way you have searchable history of decisions, accountability, and progress over with time. With Notion, running your agendas meeting becomes structured, transparent, and far more effective. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching.